Hi, let me start the session. This is Priya from AllPro Trainings. Welcome to all. In this session, the little bit of overview, webinar over, participate introduction, webinar content, and queries 20 minutes, student guide 5 minutes, and APT offer 5 minutes, and queries and feedback 5 minutes. Let's get started. Thanks for watching. Next one, explain for AllPro's profile. First one, AllPro Trainings, learn and become a pro. And then about us, AllPro Training is an online training platform that offer for technology training and soft skills to student and fresher experienced professional to advance the careers. We have students from major cities in India as well as the United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, Singapore, and then other European countries. Our vision is to provide professional training to more than 10 million people worldwide. And then courses, we offer IT courses, electrical and electronic courses, soft skills courses. What we do, individual training, corporate training, college training, and then now added a school training. Individual trainings, free webinars, flash courses and workshops, full courses, and corporate training for workplace skill development, made of training, virtual instructorly training, recorded videos, classrooms, and then college training, placement trainings, live online trainings on offline campus. And then YR Pro trainings, learn at your convenient time, practical session, clear your doubts at any time, topics to crack interview session, designed to clear professional certificates, free mock interview, free resume building, and then lifelong community support, LinkedIn recommendation, and recording for all classes, and then job guidance. List of our courses: RPA, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, front-end developer, ERP tools, and then backend developer, databases, automation testing, CRM tools, and then data analysis, visualization, ETL tools, and programming, scripting languages, business analyst, project management, and DevSecOps trainings have trained over 25,000 plus pro clients, Windows, Cognet, etc., Mahindra, Capgemini, Accenture, And then certification for UiPath certified Blue Prism and PMP, Java, etc. Thanks for watching. And let me start the trainer introductions. The trainer name is Prasanna. Hi, sir. Prasanna. Our
Hi, good evening.
many students guided for training. Yeah, introduce ourselves.
Okay, thank you for giving me this opportunity for output training. Good evening, everyone. So, I am Prasanna Venkatesh, and I have 7 years of experience in IT, and in which I worked in mainframe testing, API testing, and also the UI testing. And currently, I'm working as a test lead for Selenium UI automation. So that's about me. So I want a quick introduction of all the participants. What are their expertise and what are they looking for? Just a quick introduction. Uh, yeah, one by one, please.
Yeah, please introduce our guys students. Just ping your name and your professional students or working professional. Please ping me. Yeah, hi, Fayaz, manual tester. Hi, Yuvan, Daniel, Sahar, Azmadil. Hi, Raj. Hi, Bala Mahendra. Prasanna, we handle the whole session.
Okay. So most of them are looking for manual testing to automation. Is it the case? Okay, guys. So switching over from if you are starting as a beginner. Okay, Selenium is the best course where you can learn for the automation. And also, if you are switching from manual testing to automation, there again, Selenium comes as a best course which you can enroll and learn. So, why Selenium? See, there are lots of automation tools around the market, but why we are preferring Selenium and why Selenium is important? I will share the PPT, guys. Let me know once you are able to see my screen. You guys are able to see my screen? Hello, is my screen visible?
Yes, we can see your screen.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for the confirmation. Okay, so whenever you are trying to automate an application, okay, what would be your not just automate? Let us say when you are going trying to test an application, what are the factors that as a tester you will consider? Any answers, please? Let us make this session interactive, guys, rather than just me speaking. Hello. Okay. Okay. Let me only proceed. No issues. So whenever you're trying to test an application, you should know what that application does. Say for example, let us take one application. So here we are going to test this application. Okay. So what is basically a testing? Software testing means testing of a software which meets the ideal expectation from the customer end, from the user end, and also the business. Okay. So that is where, as a quality assurance, we come in majorly into that part. Okay. So our role is very much important, where a small mistake from QAN can cost millions of dollars to the client. So we have to be very, very careful when testing an application. So when testing an application, say this is a test login page. This is just a testing site, okay, which you can practice the automation. So if you see, this site is saying they are expecting the student name should be, sorry, username should be student, and password should be password 123. Okay, but whether we will just test these two things and we will do, guys, answer please.
No.
Okay, so what are the cases you will cover? Okay, let me only say no problem. So when you are trying to test this with this username and with this password, that is called as positive testing, where you are having a set of test data, and you are just verifying whether whenever we pass the correct data, whether we are getting the expected output. Okay, correct data we are passing the and getting the expected output, that is fine. But what if we pass incorrect data, or if we just click on submit button without passing any data into it? So we should have cover those edge cases as well. So that is where entire testing will become a test suite for this particular application. Okay. So now going on into Selenium instead of either API or while moving into automation, why Selenium is preferred? Why Selenium is preferred in the sense Selenium is a web automation tool. Okay. So where you can handle the application. Suppose if you are trying to learn a REST automation or any API automation, you will not have the entire clarity how the front end is looking. Okay, you will get to know the details about the automation and you will be able to automate the APIs and all. But whenever you are trying to switch into manual to automation, the best thing is to learn is Selenium, because it gives you the clarity of what exactly you are testing and how you are going to code and transform yourself as an automation tester from a manual tester. Okay, so now let us start. So welcome to the AllPro Selenium free webinar training. Okay, now as I said, today we are going to look into the agenda where why we should learn Selenium, how Selenium training will boost your career, and what are the course overview from this training you are going to get. Okay, now let us learn about some advantages of Selenium and why we should learn it. Okay, Selenium is open source. What is open source? Okay, so open source is a sense Selenium gives a free. Selenium is free of cost, where all the companies or even the users from our end we can use the Selenium to automate the application. Okay, when you are saying it's free of cost, were there any paid tools for automation? Yes, there is a paid tool, okay, which is QTP. The QTP was a paid tool which was developed by HP. Initially, before Selenium was developed, QTP was used, but they were charging a huge amount of money. Once Selenium got introduced into the market, from there, all the companies started shifting from QTP to Selenium to reduce the cost. Next advantage of Selenium, it has a huge online support. Okay, even a small doubt if you get in Selenium, if you join, just Google the thing, you will be getting into the Stack Overflow or even the Selenium support guys will even answer your queries. Now, why it is ideal for beginners? So whenever you are trying to start your career in IT, okay, and if you want to start your career in testing, for all those beginners, Selenium will be the best tool which to learn, because Selenium there are lots of openings when compared to other automation. tools. Then from whenever you're trying to switch from manual to automation, the same part apply here. Okay. Now, why it is preferred tool is like it can support multiple languages. It can Selenium can be coded in Java, Selenium can be coded in Python, Ruby, C Sharp, Perl, etc. And it also supports multiple browsers such as Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Opera, etc. Any doubt, guys, till now? Yeah, silence. I'm considering no doubts. Thank you. Yes. Now, see, look at the top companies which are hiring for Selenium testers. Capgemini is looking for Selenium testers, Oracle, Cognizant, HP, Wipro, Accenture, and even companies like Facebook. They are hiring Selenium automation testers. Now, how Selenium will boost your career? See, as I said in the first point, most of the companies are looking for open source free tools to test and automate their application. So nowadays there is a current trend called as no code and low code platforms. Okay. So whenever you come across a testing term called low code and no code platform, there will be no coding as such. There will be one application where you will be writing all the steps and click on run button, and automatically your test will run and it will generate the results. But if you take a look at the backend, in backend they will be using Selenium to connect to the application and then do the testing. So once you learn this Selenium, automatically when you're going into low code and no code platform, it will be much easier for you guys to make any changes or to use any coding standards for reusable methods, which companies are looking for. Okay. And one of the basic interview question would be, what are the reusable methods which you have developed in your framework? Again, there comes the framework part. Okay. So when you learn Selenium, Selenium has a huge advantage of integrating with frameworks such as TestNG, JUnit, and other such frameworks, which is provided by different languages. Say, for example, JUnit is for Java, NUnit is for C Sharp, and PUnit is for, and PyTest is for Python. Okay. So Selenium has the advantage of integrating it with all the framework. So which means that code design, when you learn Selenium, you can easily design the code in such a way like even a layman could understand your test cases and the test suits. So if you look at the current global market where Selenium is there, India stands at the second largest market using is looking for Selenium testers, which is 74% of the workforce which is looking for automation. They are looking into Selenium. China, 100% of market is there, and from there it goes on. And if you look at the worldwide, most of the countries are using Selenium. This is a worldwide map where most of the countries are using Selenium, and top two is been highlighted, which one is first is China and second is India. Okay. Now coming to the expertise of AllPro training. So AllPro training, how they handle is like, how we handle is like, we provide a soft landing into Selenium. Now, what is the term soft landing is like, say we take Selenium with Java. Okay. We do understand the fact that there are lots of freshers and lots of manual testers who are looking to move into automation. So we start from basic, where we teach about Java and we implement those Java concepts in Selenium and provide you guys with the best learning experience. So in then and there will be a query handling sessions during the demo itself, and there will be practical explanation with the hands-on during the demo. Now, so these are the course overview contents, where in web automation we will be handling how to handle the checkbox and text boxes, radio buttons, actions such as drag, drop, mouse over, double click, right click, key open, key down, drop down handling, web table handling, Windows handling, frames, alerts, waits, scroll up, screenshots, XPath, and those functionalities. Okay, so all these terms will be taught during the training, and you will be able to understand each and every term what we are talking about, and how it is going to work from a web based Selenium. Okay. Now let me show you one small application which I automated for the session. Okay. So the application which I showed you guys. This is the application which I showed you guys, how we are going to test this application, right? So I have automated it with Java using Selenium and Python using Selenium. I will just run and show you guys. So this is the first point which I was saying, right? This is a text box where we will enter the username field here and password field here and click on submit button. Okay, to test the application. Let me run this and show you guys. Now you see we had automated this test case by automatically launching the Chrome and entering those details into those text boxes and validating the error messages. Okay, or success messages. And this is just a normal Java based application. Now let me show you another application which I automated. Okay, now this is integrated with all the test engines. This is where you will be able to see the proper reports of what we have done and how we have tested the application. Let me run and show you this application also. This is similar kind of application. Yeah, but it is another application, not the same application, but similar kind of application. See guys, test cases have run and the reports got generated for us nicely. And if you see the same in test output, okay, let us stop. See, all the test we ran, it is using a wrong username but a correct password. We are getting the correct message. Your username is invalid. Correct username but wrong password. We are getting wrong. Your password is invalid. And when we pass correct username and correct password, it is logged in and checking this error message. So this checking this success message. Don't worry, guys. These all things will be taught, and during the end of your training, you will be able to automate any application which is given to you. Okay, and you will be able to implement those things from a framework level, and you will be able to showcase and crack interview perfectly. And let me show how it is, how few tests are running in Python also. Our training will be based on Java. I just wanted to show you guys how the Selenium is very flexible, working with both with multiple programming languages. Concept is going to be the same with both Java and Python. Just the syntax will get varied. Any doubts, guys, till now? Yes. No. Okay. So, is there any prerequisite required for this course? There is no mandatory like we have to know all the prerequisites. Okay, but it is very good to know if we have a good knowledge on core Java and some basic knowledge about HTML and CSS. Okay, so this marks the end of Selenium introduction. Over to the host. Thanks, guys, for giving me this opportunity. Yeah, Mabin, you can take over.
Yeah, okay. Thanks. Very useful for the session. Next, I have to share the screen. Selenium student, old student review video.
Hi guys, I'm Aishwarya from Chennai, and I'm working in testing background and manual tester come automation tester. As I needed some help with automation training, I reached out to IRPA from AP Trainings. So he suggested me to take up the Selenium Java course, and I got a very good guidance from AP Training from Rahul and IRPA from AP, and currently I have got an offer with 120% hike, and I definitely got the confidence and courage to move to switch to another company only after completing this training. And I would definitely suggest you guys to get into AP trainings and get yourself moved to a better career. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thanks for watching. And then student reviews. AllPro student old student review now updated. Python working professional all review from USA. And then UiPath the project based learning student review. Blue Prism student review. And then QA automation student review. RPA Power Automated student review, and then Power Automated student Rangasamy, and then RPA Power Automated working professional review from Chennai, and then UiPath student review Telugu batch. Next one for student guide. After training student guide 85 forces, simple learning methodology, and student recall, creative explanation, fingertip material, additional bonuses, and then simple technical teaching methodology, 6 sessions, 75 minutes. Session 1, 10 minutes. Yesterday class revision, double clearance. And session 2, today class topic. Session 3, 15 minutes, student practice time. Session 4, 50 minutes, today class topic. And then session 5, session 6, totally 75 minutes per section. The habit loop for cube, retain, and reward. And the learning pyramid, and then creative explanation, different kind of courses, e-learning, e-coaching, collab learning, virtual classrooms, and then one notes, and then more information, class notes with pictures, diagrammatic flow explanation, and whole training text in a single notebook. And then all material will be available in the common cloud drive include video recording, class notes and documents, softwares. And then additional bonuses, free interview session, lifelong community support, job links, resume preparation help, professional certificate guides, getting job by AllPro consultancy. That's enough. Thanks for watching. And then last final one, APT now offer going AllPro trainings model, full courses training medium, either Skype or Zoom. A normal training model, 35 to 40 hours, is 30 classes per class, 75 minutes per day. Flash course, a training medium, Skype or Zoom. Training model, it will be 4 to 6 hours. Course market price 30K to 35K. Flash course 6K to 8K. But AllPro trainings price 20K. Full courses, Flash course 4K. Just clear your queries at any time with the trainer. Training at your preferred time. Recorded videos, daily class notes and documents. And salary prediction for your current salary. And then one small step can change your life. Thanks for watching. And then interested persons for pay the payment link. Are you visible, guys?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Okay, any queries, student, candidates? Any queries? Okay. Okay, thanks all in this session. I will send the feedback form. Please note that the please mention your full details and your mail ID. Reason for future receive your certificate, e-certificate. I will share it for form feedback form. Please fill the form.
Yeah, bye.
Yeah, hi. Thanks for the sessions, Prasanna. If you have any doubt, the candidate have any doubts, please let me know in the chat box so the trainer will explain you. So I think I need to be interactive sections for this. So if you have anyone doubt on this, please ping me in the chat box. So I am audible. If yes, please hands your rise or give the thumbs up to me so that I can understand I am just audible. Yeah, thank you. So thanks for the session, overall sessions, and I have shared the feedback form in the chat box. So everyone got the feedback form? So who are all filled that feedback form? Those candidate only receive the certificate through your email ID in this week. So don't forget the feedback form. And also offers are available. So few hours only. Grab your opportunities to learn something new in your career. So if anyone did not receive the chat feedback, just let me know or drop your message in the chat box so that I will resend you the feedback form. Because without that filling the form, we couldn't able to send that e-certificate. So who are all filling the form? For those candidate only will get the e-certificate. Please fill that fill that feedback form, then get your certificates. Okay, thank you guys. So we wind up the sessions. If you have any doubts, I will share my WhatsApp number here. Just ping me if you have any doubts. I have shared my WhatsApp number. If you want to register this course, we're having that full course and flash course. Flash course will explain by the workshop. So 10 hours course. If you want to register immediately, you will get that offers. So ping me that WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number I have shared. Just let me know. Okay, thank you. Thank you all. Bye.